Capital One. 2nd down and 7 for the Ducks. From the Washington 19, Brown on the RPO. Hands it off to Dye. Dye cuts it north-south. Touchdown, Oregon!
Oh my, Travis Dye. He is something else, isn't he? Just makes it look so easy out there.
A great cut when he saw the hole and sprinted in the end zone.
Man, like I said,
14-point lead now for the Ducks.
5'10", 190. Not the slight guy, not the biggest guy, right? But he makes it work.
Lewis with the extra point. Hey, score touchdowns, Travis, or die trying. Back to the studio.